Want to move your files into Dropbox so you can access them from anywhere. In this guide, I'll show you several easy ways to upload files, organize them, and confirm that everything has finished syncing. Let's get started. First, open Dropbox in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your existing files and folders. If you're using the desktop app, you can upload directly from your Dropbox folder instead. To upload a single file, click the Upload button and choose File. Select the file from your computer, then confirm the upload. The file should appear in your current Dropbox folder once the upload starts or finishes. If you have several files, you can select multiple items at once and upload them together. This is useful for documents, photos, videos, or project files. Just make sure you have enough available storage for the files you're adding. Dropbox can also upload an entire folder. Click Upload, choose the folder option if it's available, and select the folder you want to add. Dropbox will upload the folder along with its contents, helping you keep everything organized. There's an even quicker method. Open your computer's File Explorer or Finder next to the Dropbox website, then drag a file or folder into the Dropbox window. Yeah, this is handy when you're moving several items and don't want to use the Upload menu. If you have the Dropbox desktop app installed, you can also place files directly inside your Dropbox folder. The app will automatically sync those files to your account. Look for the Dropbox icon or sync status to confirm the upload is progressing. After uploading, open the folder where you placed the file and check that it's there. You can also sign in to Dropbox from another device or the web to confirm the file is available. If the file is still syncing, give it a little time to finish, and that's how you upload files to Dropbox. You can use the Upload button, drag and drop, or simply place files inside the desktop Dropbox folder. So choose whichever method fits your workflow and keep your files organized from the start.